Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to create a simple habit tracker using Notion, which you can use personally or sell. Be sure to watch till the end. Let's start with an empty page. I personally like to work in full width, so let's set it like that. Let's type in here habit tracker. Next, let's use a database inline for our habit tracker. For the table, let's rename this into all habits. Don't forget that you can also change the icon. Then don't forget to write a name in the table. For the first column, let's name it habit, and let's also change the icon. Next, let's use this select property for our category column. Click here to add options. This is where the drop-down options are located in the category column. To change the color, just click it, and you can see the color options. For the next column, let's focus on the frequency. We will once again utilize a select property for this column. Then let's add an option. Next column will be the status property. Take note that you can also change the name and color of each option here. For the next column, let's add the start date. Again, you can also change the icon. Now let's fill in the habits. Then here we can select the category. We can only select one, but if you want to select more, just use the multi-select property instead of the select property. Next, let's fill in the frequency. Next, the status. Now for the date. Here you can select also a time, and you can also change the date format. Next, let's add a new board. Please note that everything you add to the table will serve as the foundation for all the information in this table or database. Adding a new view will only filter what you wish to see or how you want it to appear. So here you see the status of your habits. But if you want to change this, just click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Go to Group and select the group by option. Here you can choose what you want. I also like to hide the empty groups. If you want to add categories along with each habit, just click on the three dots on the right up corner, click on the properties, and unhide the section you want to show. Don't forget to rename the board and change the icon to your liking. Now let's add another view this time. Let's add a calendar. If you want to have this view into weekly, just click on the three dots on the upper right corner, click on the layout and show calendar as either week or month. If you want to show more details into each habit, just click on the properties and unhide the sections you want. So now I will teach you a trick on how to add a reset button so you will not manually deleting all the habit if you want to start over again. So just type in but or button. Type in the word reset, or you can also use a different word for the button, then you can also change the icon. Click on the new action and select Edit Pages In, and here select the name of the table or database. Next, click on the Edit property and select all the column names you want to add to your reset. Then click Done. So let's test, and if you want to undo, just press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. So now we are almost done. Let's add an icon or logo to our habit tracker. Now for the cover, you can select from here or upload your own. And we're done. Now, if you want to sell your Notion habit tracker template or any template you created on Notion, Just click on the share and publish. And copy this link. And there you have it. Want more Notion tips and hacks? Comment down yes. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you on our next video.